Yeah. What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm out here at the Waffle House, linking up with Gossick and Cody, and going to the mountain to get some practice in since we can't go to the track yet. So we're putting together a track day hopefully soon, because people keep telling me I need to get off the road. I fucking know I need to get off the road. God damn it, man. But I'm about to put some gas and then ride out. Oh, the sun is beautiful today. And ready to head out the mountain. Yeah, so just linked up with them boys once again. I'm about to get some practice on. What? I'm getting one soon.
I'd recommend getting the stock ones. They're weighted.
Yeah, I have them. Yeah.
Why'd you put them on?
Because this, it keeps spinning. I'm replacing this, this, the throttle cable.
You got it?
No, I'm ordering everything.
You'll like it. It makes a big
Yeah, I'm sure. Once you told me about it, I was like, yeah, I have to get it. Ready? He's ready. You ready? I'm ready. Let's ride. Yeah, so I have ordered quite a few stuff for the bike. Hopefully they come in soon. See y'all die.
legs are close together.
Gossick is scraping knees. Look at that.
He was coming after me, dude.
Me? Not a
All y'all, there was one.
goddamn at the store getting something to drink. Most likely water. So I need water. So it looks like Gossick is getting pretty damn good. Dragging knees. Pretty soon he's gonna be dragging elbows. That boy is getting bad. But yeah. Hopefully we'll make a few more runs and that's it. What?
Is that the dude that's on my ass?
No. He had a CBR. He had a CBR.
That was the Yamaha.
No, it was a red CBR. Just like ours.
Yeah, it's a little damp out.
Hey, is this going to be our last run? Because it looks like it's about to rain. What?
My radar will not load.
Damn. I hope it doesn't rain.
It's like corn, so I don't know if it's gonna pass. I mean, we can do one more.
I ain't got no internet, guys. Fucking puta.
Yeah,
no service.
I mean, you can do it at least one more.
One more, then we ride out.
I can do a few more. I'm feeling good.
I'm sure you can, but it's going to rain.
I don't want to be going down a mountain when it rains.
Yep, me too.
Obviously, when it rains, you slow down.
I don't want to get wet. Hold on. Of course, no. God damn. So this run, I'm gonna be behind Cody, so he can see his body position. What? I want to see my body position too. Yeah, boys, they want to get a car. They don't want to back up. No, I was in front of him. I mean, he was in front of me, and I was watching him, and a lot smoother.
Yeah, that felt better.
Fuck yeah, the last one, you took it nice.
Feels so much better than the outside.
Yeah, you took it nice.
Yeah. I want to see it though.
I will send it to you.
I really feel like I need to exaggerate it even more.
Yeah, well, technically you need to.
I just feel like I'm not leaning the bike though.
The bike is leaning, it's just your knee is not sticking out. If you stick that bad boy out, you're good. What are you doing? You're doing this.
Not doing that.
Yeah. The first run, that's how you were. Second run, you were getting better.
Hairpin or just overall?
Most of them. But the last one, you got it real nice. It's like you felt it and you were just going with it.
Yeah.
I can tell.
So I mean about getting into a rhythm, that's like the main thing for me.
Yeah.
If I can get into a rhythm, keep my pace,
Yeah.
and just everything just falls into place.
For me, it's easier when I don't have anybody in front of me.
Yeah, me too.
Because I'm still trying to focus on not fixating. Like, even when you were beside me, it was fine.
Yeah.
But like, when I'm behind one of y'all, I just want to give y'all so much space that I'm focusing on space and the corner.
Yeah.
But like when I'm in front or like I'm just way far behind, I just feel like more focused. So, yeah.
Well, this time you were way better. If you want to stay in the front.
Well, I mean, I don't want to slow y'all down. So.
You're not slowing me down. I'm working on my pretty much body position. I'm not trying to speed.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to work on right now. Gossick is just fucking flying because
I don't know what Gossick is.
Gossick's on some shit.
Oh, did you break that, Gossick?
Probably.
No.
So y'all want to do 2 more runs and then ride out?
We can do more if you want.
This guy's thick.
Yeah, fool.
Alright.
People got wife, people got girlfriend, side piece, baby mama's mama.
So it's Sunday, man. You ain't got
and then we'll
nowhere
head
to
back.
What?
One more, we'll head back.
go.
Hey.
If you want to stay out there, you stay out there, bro.
Yeah,
Hey.
no, I'll leave it to you guys, it's fine. But I'm just saying I'm usually
feeling
gassed out by now, especially because of the heat, but right now I'm feeling good. So.
I can tell.
Alright,
You want to go at it one-on-one? You get one side, I get the other lane? Shake. No?
That's what we've been doing, man. We had a flow.
Well, I bet, yeah. No?
Because if something happens, I just don't want to. I don't want to take you out, vice versa, and all that shit.
No, you're taking yourself out. You ain't taking me out. I'm not trying to be beside you. I'm not trying to be beside you. Hold on. Let me put my music on. We're gonna go one more round. One more round. Yeah, it's hot as bitch. Made it home safe, and hopefully them boys made it home too. But today was all about body position, so I was following Cody, and so he can see his body position, and it was on point. So make sure you subscribe and like and share so we can get more people, more followers. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.